I hope everybody have watched the video of DJ Turkey. DJ Chicken. So actually, I don't know. Maybe they just hate this guy for living his life. They beat him like, oh, as if they want to kill him. Though sometimes this is a lesson for for some guys that will just drive recklessly. As if their grandfather has never used a car before. So this is a lesson for you. So please watch this video and see what's up.
Olórí kò ní ọdún.